Every week I get calls and emails from pharmaceutical sales reps who want to know what should they do when they identify a job that they're interested in and they would like to apply for it, but in the job description it says pharma sales need not apply, or we won't consider pharma, or pharma need not apply. So they asked me, they said, what should I do? Does that mean I can't even look at that job? And the answer is no, it doesn't. What it means is now you're really going to have to put on your sales hat, okay? Don't send your application in through that particular process because they're already telling you they've got a way, they're going to nix you, they're not going to consider you, you're gone, right? But in a real sales event, we don't just stop when the receptionist says that they're not interested in our product, do we? We find another way to get to the buyer and another way to present our opportunity to the buyer so that we can try to get their business, right? Okay, so think about this. They say they don't want pharmaceutical sales reps, and maybe they don't in total, but you may be different. Maybe you have a B2B background behind your pharmaceutical sales job, or maybe you're just one of those spectacular people that just managed to go into pharmaceutical and excelled there, but you haven't had an opportunity to excel in a different kind of a role. So don't let that stop you. Get to the hiring manager. He's the buyer. Get to him, communicate in a very positive way, use your sales skills. He'll see that demonstrated in your interactions with him, and if he's open at all, he's going to consider you for candidacy for his position, whether or not you have pharmaceutical sales experience or not. The other thing that you need to know is when you get into the interview or in that process, and if you still are facing that objection, then you need to ask, Mr. Manager, have you ever hired someone from pharmaceutical who did succeed? Because the truth is, they probably have. They've hired at least one. I mean, I can name, multiples of people who have transitioned from pharmaceutical into clinical laboratory, into surgical, into medical device, and been very, very successful at it. So there's no reason why you can't be too. All right, good luck.